We're going to be looking at order of operations next. So order of operations is something that I know you've worked on before, so this video should be pretty quick. If you forgot, usually goes P for parentheses. Some people use a G here for like groupings in case you have brackets. And then E for exponents. And then multiplying and dividing would come next. And then adding and subtracting would be last. So multiplying and dividing are like the same level, and so are adding and subtracting. Okay, so first one here. So I'm gonna start with my parentheses or grouping. So I have two sets of parentheses here. I'm gonna start with this one. So inside this set of parentheses, I have an exponent, so I'm gonna start there. So 3 squared, 3 to the second power is 9. All right, and now I have two sets of parentheses that I can keep going with here. If anytime you want to use a calculator to help you with the solving or simplifying, you definitely can. Just make sure that you're showing your work. So 41 minus 9 is going to give me 32, divided by, and then 12 minus 4 is 8. So 32 divided by 8, final answer, I should get 4. So notice I showed at least 3 steps. I expect to see at least 3 steps shown on your paper for each problem. It doesn't have to be a ton of work, like I didn't show a lot here, but this is what I expect to see. You cannot just write an answer. All right, next one. So I'm starting in those parentheses or groupings again. So 13 minus 3 is 10, and I still have that squared on there. And then 24 divided by 8 is 3. 10 squared, 10 times 10 is 100, plus 3 is going to give me 103. Okay, so here just make sure you're doing the inside first before you use the squared, because the squared is on the outside of the parentheses. Next one, so starting inside those parentheses, I have to start with my exponent first. So 9 squared, 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, so I still have a bunch of stuff in the parentheses. I have to do multiplication before addition. It's just in the order of PEMDAS. So 2 times 5 is 10. All right, so then I'm still in parentheses here. So 10 plus 81 is 91. So 91 minus 9 is going to give me my final answer of 82. Okay, and then last one here. So I need to start in the parentheses. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, and then exponents would come next, so 4 squared is 16. Okay, and then I'm back to multiplication here next, so 3 times 9 is 27, minus 16 will give me my final answer, so I got 11. Okay, so order of operations, I know you've done before, it should go pretty quick. Just make sure that you're showing at least 3 steps per problem.